How are vectors subtracted using unit vectors? Now, do you know how if you have scalar quantities, like regular numbers, if you're taking like 7 and you're subtracting 5, one way of thinking about that is you could rewrite that as 7 plus -5. Well, we're going to do the similar thing with vector quantities. If we have vector A minus vector B, we're just going to rewrite it as a vector addition because we now know how to use unit vectors to add vectors. So if I rewrite this as an addition, it would be vector A plus negative vector B. Now, one thing you need to understand is what's the hidden relationship between vector B and negative vector B?
Say add values opposite direction.
Yes. So if this here is vector B, a vector going in the exact opposite direction would be negative vector B. Notice if this is vector B, its components would be bx, by. Well, vector negative B would have a component of negative by and negative bx. So the trick is, if you have to subtract vectors, just add the opposite vector. Add the negative of the vector that you're subtracting. So, putting this all together, if we had a three-dimensional vector, a sub x times unit vector I plus a sub y unit vector j plus a sub z unit vector k, and vector b is b sub x times unit vector I plus b sub y unit vector k plus b sub z times, whoa, that was a j. B sub z times unit vector k. If I had to subtract vector A minus vector B, I could easily use unit vectors to express that subtraction. It's going to be some expression times I plus a different expression times j plus a different expression times k. So fill in those expressions. I'll come around, give you thumbs up, thumbs down.